Good morning, guys. We will get started in like 6 minutes. I am here. I'm just on mute. All right. Good morning, guys. We'll get started now. Give me a minute. I'm going to go through Twitter as normal, and then we'll go through YouTube. So post your questions or stickers or anything you want. I will go through them with you guys. Let me just change my screen. All right, cool. Should be able to see everything now. Let me put this gain on because there always seems to be an issue with people's volume. Filter gain. Oh no, there, it should be good. Hello. All right, cool. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm gonna go through Twitter. Let's see what people are saying. Agri's just broken out now. Agri's just broken out. I'm assuming it had news. Let me have a look. So people ask, whenever something like this happens, you can't do anything. If you want to enter now, that's called chasing. If you want to chase in FOMO, you can enter the trade and lose your money, or you can wait technically and learn support, resistance, and bullish reversal patterns. That is how you trade these setups. It's very easy to do, very, very simple. It's just patience, that's it. Good morning, good afternoon, guys. NDRA, still looking good. It's in the demand zone right now. It needs to just hold this level. 0.1285. As long as it holds that level, you should be fine. If it doesn't hold that level, but for me, no reason to be entering this. If it breaks above the trend line, you know the deal. 99% of the time, a lot of these charts are pretty much bearish unless they are forming a bullish reversal pattern. Right, let's have a look. Which other plays? Agri, Smart. Yeah, I'm not interested in Buru in any of those plays, unfortunately. Right, SMFL, this one, it just has ranged. Well, it wicked up to here, but it needs to, next range is 430. That's your next resistance level. You have ALLG, volume's absolutely died out on this. I'm not too sure what's happening there. TRNR, ignore these candle wicks. This is just Weeble. But for me, I would just wait for this break here, 570. Nothing really on this at the moment. Nothing on this. Maxon's just at support. That's it. It's just at support. It looks like it's trying to reverse. The volume has died off, but it needs to hold. 143 is your support. Breaks below that, it should continue down. However, it's still a valid setup. SCNI, this is the best setup in my opinion. Still got the volume. It hasn't knifed down. It's very, 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 very bullish. Should easily fill that gap today. Easily. How much low will it come before it runs? I don't know, but I think it should fill that gap. Very nice setup on this. Gap fill all the way. Best setup in my opinion. Wait, can you guys hear me or not? Hello? hope so. SMFL. Oh no, yeah, you should. All right, okay, cool. Yeah, I thought so. All right, SCNI looks fantastic. Expecting a little easy breakout on this one. Simple trade on that. LGVN, this is a larger time frame setup. I'm expecting it to break out and push up. However, it does have an offering pending, but for me, I'm just basing it off technicals at the moment. At the moment. NUKK, trash, delete. NDRA, nothing on this as I mentioned. If you're trying to look for entries, I would wait for downtrend break. SVMH, nothing on this. KA, nothing on this unless 0.63. 63 cents closure above, you have clean range all the way to 72 cents. KITT, nothing unless 0.225. So closure above that, you have clean range to 0.278. Kraken, it's pushing up very nicely. I don't know why it's running, but it's in this demand zone. It's reversing. It looks good. FFIE should be doing the same. It'll probably follow Kraken in a minute as well. So this is lagging a little bit. VXRT, there is nothing on this. I'm just going to delete it. It's extremely bearish chart. I would just avoid that one at all costs. Let me have a look and see. Monday, today is going to be a very slow day. I think it's going to be a very strange week. Simply because we have Wednesday, which is market closed. So today and tomorrow, it's going to be a little bit difficult. I think, yeah, I'm not too sure how the market will be. But personally, I'm only trading Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I am off. I'm done. I'm not trading. So yeah, I will only be trading on Monday and Tuesday this week. Let me have a look and see what else is moving. Very, very slow pre-market as well. SCNI is pretty much the only clean setup for now. SMFL, Kraken. SMFL is right here. So you have range all the way to 430, 4.3, 4.3. Yeah, that's right, Paul. JFBR. JFBR, I wouldn't consider anything unless it breaks above 0.4850. Right now, it's a very simple chart. It's just ranging, meaning the stock is consolidating. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. Therefore, you do not enter in this trading range. You wait for it to break above. So if it breaks above, you have clean range to 0.57, 57 cents. So that is what you have. But trying to enter now is a no-go. SMFL, yeah, SMFL, I don't know. I just saw this thing running, so I just marked the levels off on that. ALLG, I don't know, it looks a bit strange to me. Maxin, yeah, it just needs to hold 140, in my opinion. SCNI looking like the best setup, still has is the only kind of play that has volume and is only pretty much trending up. Everything else is pretty much coming down. LGVN's coming down nicely. This is setting up perfectly. Ideally, it's doing what you want. So it's doing this. Hopefully we can come down and then break out. Right? That's what we expect. ALLG. Oh, just that one. TRNR. Nothing for me on this. I would wait for this break above. Yeah, 570. It needs to find an area of support. There is no support on this yet. You could maybe use this as support. I would maybe consider $4 as your support level. See what it can do around here. Maybe it'll reverse if it pulls back to here. But trying to enter now is in no man's land. You shouldn't be trying to enter here, in my opinion. CJet. Nothing was on CJet. Huge bullish candle here now. Let me see. Yeah, CJet's a bit of a weird one. I don't know. I don't like trading these kind of stocks. It's a very strange chart, in my opinion. Maybe it's in a bullish pennant, but it's a little bit of a difficult one. Lack of volume. I'm assuming 99% of you guys are all trying to take day trades and make money, right? So it's very simple. go onto this website, use the top gainers and learn technicals and trade that. That's all I do every single day. Easiest way. Don't try and find these hidden gems. All of these, a lot of them are trades that you guys show are in downtrends, bearish. They run down, maybe they're in 52-week lows, all of that stuff, but it's a waste of time. You're going to be waiting a long time for these kind of trades. I'm assuming you guys want to become day traders, and the best thing to do is just trade the highest probability plays, which are simply the top gainers. That's it. TRNR is coming down here, maybe holds $4. If you can all do me a favor as well, if you could like up the stream, I would greatly appreciate it. We have 75 people in here and we only have 20 likes. Let's see. Mara just follows Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin's doing, Mara will follow. However, this is due a run. These Bitcoin plays have not ran in a while. The only one that I do know is pretty much running is IREN. So yeah, this could be your support level here. So right now it's bearish. Maybe if it comes down to 1850, you could look for entries, or if it breaks above the downtrend. But it's simply just going to follow the Bitcoin. Damn, you're the Jedi. You're the Jedi. You're the Jedi. You're the Jedi. NUKK, nothing for me on this. I don't really like this chart. If you're trying to consider entries above 114, maybe you can consider some entries. Try and enter now. I don't know, maybe above $1 you could. But for me personally, it's just difficult. There's not a lack of volume. It's a little tricky to enter. It's just a bit of a forced trade. Bit of a forced trade setup on that. Let me send the link out for YouTube. Here we go. Right. MBIO, nice move on this. Pretty much moved all the way up. This is a good runner. This is a former run as well. I literally just removed this morning off my watch list because it wasn't moving. It has range all the way to here. This is your next resistance level. 0.25. There's a huge resistance level here, psychological level. So breaks above 0.25, your next level is, I'll tell you now, 0.25. So this is your resistance. This purple line is your resistance. If you close above this, you have clean range all the way to 0.299. Right, let me post this one. MBI. This is a former runner as well, so I'll just mention it's a former runner. I know a lot of you guys like watching these plays. Vero, I deleted this one off my watch. I was not really interested in it, to be honest. It's just a pump and dump. Up, down, pump, dump. So yeah, nothing on this. Just avoid it. You can see where the resistance is. It's very clear. Over here, 1.35. Close above 1.35, you have range to this. 1.59 is your next level. And then you have here. And then you have the next one is over here at 215. So these are your key levels. This means the purple line always means if it breaks and closes above the purple line, you can enter the trade. Do not try and enter below the purple line because that is gambling. We are not gamblers. We are trading based off technicals, right? So Vero needs break above 135. Otherwise, no entries. Cheers, bro, no problem. MWG, let me have a look. MWG. This ran on Friday, I see. Let's see, MWG. Nothing on MWG. There's nothing. It has range to this candle here at 0.48. We can just put 0.48. That is your next resistance at the moment. Yeah, there's not much volume on this at the moment from what I can see in the candles. Maybe it's in an uptrend. Yeah, but this is your next resistance level, 0.48. Here's a little bullish pennant for you to make it as bullish as I can. There you go. So expect it to break out, room to 0.48. Tesla. Nothing on Tesla. Tesla's doing nothing. It's literally ranging. Look, here and here, it's ranging. If it breaks above 187.56, has room to this level. Breaks below, it's coming down to here. Right? Look left. Left, there is a full candle here that's clean range. Look left, clean range all the way to here. So right now, Tesla is just ranging. I don't know if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. I don't know. MBIO, yeah, I just went over that one. I have this on my watch list. LGVN dumping. Oh yeah. Let me see. Did they drop their offering? Finally. They did drop their offering. Oh no. They announced yeah, well. I knew it. Yeah. Finally. That's why. Makes sense. Had offering or something, that's why it dropped. Yeah. Been pending. Yeah, I know, that's why. Thankfully, net's happened now. I'm just going to move it off my watch list. I'm not interested anymore. Okay, let's see what else. LGVN dip. I wouldn't be touching it now that it's had the news. I just avoid it. CANF. Nothing on this. There's extremely low volume. Yeah, I don't see anything on this. If you want to, you can try and make it just in an uptrend like that. So if it gets to around this level again, like 212 or 312, maybe you can look for entries. But nothing on CAMF, unfortunately. MBO is running. Yes, we know. You are correct. So look what I said. If the candle closes above 0.25, there is a high probability it will what? Go up. So once this candle closed above, see it closed above, it ran 10%. There is a higher probability now that the stock will go to 0.2290, then come all the way down. Right? THAR. MBIO is not over $1 though, sadly. THAR, very weird stock. I'm not too sure about this, but if you're looking for entries, I would wait for break above 388, and you have clean range to this level over here at 455. So let's see. Closure above here. There's no closure yet. SMFL, yes. Here is SMFL. It needs to close above here on this. Right now it's pulling back. This is your support level here, or demand zone. Just do this demand zone here. You can just do this range. It has room to this 433. It pretty much wicked up to that level and then now it's come down, but I don't know. I'm just going to keep it on watch. We'll see. I'm not really interested in it at the moment. There's not enough volume for me. But yeah, this is what you have on this. Maxin, what's happening? Just chilling. SCNI, MBIO. MBIO, and she's gone. Whoa. See, it's like magic, isn't it? It's like magic. It's like magic. Gone. Did anybody grab this thing? Congrats if you did. Nice. Those wick fills are working very, very well. Let me see. Game suggestion. My game suggestion is that if you want to gamble, right, then you can take game. That is my suggestion. Technicals do not work on game, in my opinion. There is too much manipulation from the Wall Street bets, from everyone who's pretty much trying to trade this thing. It will forever be that kind of stock. So I personally, if you want to make money in the market, is learn how to trade based on technicals, Don't just try and buy because you think it's going to run because someone says that it's going to run 100%, all this BS. So in my opinion, if you're looking on it based on technicals game, it needs to break above 31.85. That is it. And then it has room to 38.60. That's it. But based on technicals, that's what it should do. However, based off what's actually happening with the current stock, I would avoid it at all costs. Even if the kitty guy, whatever the hell he's going to do, says it's going to run to $1 million, who gives a hoot? We waited, not we, but people waited on that stock whenever he did the live stream, and it went lower than what he said, right? So just be very smart with it. Just make it very easy. Avoid them. Avoid all the noise. I don't play the hold to plays. I don't play sub $1 stocks. I make it very easy for myself. I literally just trade the stocks that are clear and easy to trade. I make it easy as possible for me to trade. Why am I going to try and trade something that probably won't work out, right? Yeah, it might run. Who knows? Can you explain how you found and confirmed? It was on Twitter, bro. And you can see the stock dropped 15% and they had an offering pending. Someone in the Discord did mention. So yeah, you can just look on Twitter. MBO, your next level's here, 0.3551. Here's your next level. These are your this is not your next target, right? You should be out at least 50% if you're up 5%. But simply just focus, right, on your 5% first target. If it keeps running, fantastic. Scale out as you go. Yeah, but got out too soon. I recommend holding at least 5% next time. That's the best way to do it. MBO next level 0.33355. What time frame do you recommend? It depends, Christian, what you're trying to trade. If you're trying to become a swing trader, day trader, scalper, long-term trader, right? So yeah, you just have to clarify on what you are looking for. NBI is nice. NDRA is broken below demand zone. We have to move to the next one now, sadly. So we have here. Still very bearish. There's no reason to be entering this play. Let's see. We have 100 people in here and we have 50 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least another 50 likes. Another 50 likes. FFIE. This is another gambler stock, right? This is a gambler stock. This is a meme stock. This is a pump and dump stock. Avoid it, Zubair. Or Zubair, sorry. Avoid it. Just avoid it. No need. Just trade the stocks that no one is pumping and dumping and all this stuff. Yes, they've had all their crazy runs and that, but there might be a possibility that it can run. Fantastic. However, right, majority of the time, what comes up must go down. And a lot of times you guys never know when to sell because you don't have a game plan in mind. You just say, oh, I'm going to hold, I'm going to hold. Like, for instance, people who are trying to buy game, do they know where they want to sell? No, they just think it's going to keep going. If it's up to $400, I guarantee people still won't take profits. So you need to have a game plan when you trade. Yes, FFIE is bullish. It's expected to break out, but that does not mean that it will run. There's probably a lower probability that it will run just because of this, right? So not it's up to you though. It's a good setup technically, but yeah, I don't know. I just share these setups on Twitter because a lot of my followers are looking at these trades and mostly FinTwit. A lot of them are bag holding the stock, so I try just do my best to give them my insight on the stocks. Wonderful. How are you finding those levels? Are they correlated to the left side of the chart? Yes, they are previous levels. Correct. Closed out 12% gain. Let's go, Cody. Well done, well done, well done. ALLG. I don't know. This one's a weird chart. I don't know what's going on with it. See this? ALLG, I don't know what's going on with it. I'm just going to remove it. I don't know why it's like that. What's up with the volume and that. So ALLG, I'm not interested. Where's SMFL? Yeah, we'll just keep it here. Yep, learned that the hard way when game. Yeah, a lot of you guys need to understand. That's why if you join the Discord, and that's what I teach in the Discord myself and Hassi, is risk management. We're not a Discord, a channel that gives you 100 alerts for the day. We're not an alert service. We focus on A+ quality setups. We give you exact reasoning why we trade. why we're getting into trades, so you can understand and learn and take the trades yourself, right? That is why my thing is, what I teach and I tell people is focus on risk management. I tell everyone knows my strategy. I don't care that people know it. It's easy, my strategy. The difference is that people cannot control their emotions. They don't know where their first target is. They don't have a stop loss. They don't know how much to trade with, all those things. That is what we give in the Discord to make members, right, become consistent. They have to journal their trades. They have to show their journey to become consistent. It's not just get into a trade and get out and this and that, right? We have a plan for every single time. Whether you make $1 a day, right, or you make $1,000 a day, the same rules apply. Everything is relative to your account size. So that is what we focus on. We don't focus on giving people 1,000 alerts. What's top of your watch list? Look on the left, brother, and you will see what's on the top. On the top is TRNR. That does not mean, right? TRNR does not mean that it is the best setup. That's what people need to understand. Because it's on my watch list, it does not mean I'm buying it right now. It doesn't mean I'm in the stock. It doesn't mean that I'm probably, if I'm even going to get into it. It's just a stock that I'm watching. Keyword watch list. Watch is what I'm doing. I'm not in it. If I do buy it or I get into any stock, I alert it in the Discord with stop loss entries and targets, right? The blue color is just above $1. Orange is just sub $1. That's it. That's how I've organized it for myself. But there's no, I don't know which one is my top play. There's no top play. I don't know which one's going to run. I wait till open and I see which one has the most volume and still gives me the best setup. So I have to wait, sadly, as much as I want to get in now and try and make money, but I don't know. The Discord's way worth it. Let's go, Martin. 3 months here. Let's go. We need that. Yeah, I know. I need to. I don't know when I'm gonna release it. Probably on Sunday, to be honest, or maybe on Friday. I'll do it. Friday, yeah. Friday, I'll put it up for you guys. The yearly tier. We're gonna have limited. We're just gonna have some spots for most of the current members that we have. Because I know a lot of you guys did like it and said you wanted it. So yeah, we just need to open it up. That's all. We will open it up. SCNI. Key level again. You have a demand zone. You can use this demand zone if you want over here as well. Right here. If it breaks out, it's heading to 720. Demand zone. Right. Also, what I'm going to do is, since tomorrow is the last day I'm trading of the week, because markets close Wednesday and I won't be trading Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hassy's trading Thursday, Friday, and he's not trading today due to Eid. So we're just taking some turns just for this week. Give ourselves a little break. Yeah, this looks good. But what I'm going to do tomorrow, because I'm going to go through the Discord, right? For all people on YouTube, I'm going to go through it so you can see what is included what's included on the Discord, what's different, so you can see. I'll just briefly go through it so you can see what is in there and what you can expect in the Discord. But yeah, if you want to join, the link is always there for you guys. We scrapped the idea of a wait list because we didn't think it was needed, but we've just increased the prices, that's all. Straight facts, real talk. Yeah, bro, I mean, it's all real. Like, look, you can see we lose trades, we win trades. Everything's there. Everything's recorded. So it's transparent and as real as it is. When no one there is 100% right. There is no one out there that's 100% right. If they are, let me know. Let me know. I will give them $1 billion. $1 billion if they have 100% strategy. Let me see. NUKK. NUKK is pushing up nice. You have clean range to 114. Clean range to 114. There is a higher probability this is going to 114 than going up. Yeah, clean range to 114. This is NUKK. I'll put this back on my watch list now since it is over $1 and looks like volume is coming in a little bit. Get that like button going. That's right. Get it up, get it up, get it up. NDRA. NDRA is looking like it's trying to reverse. View upside there, yeah. I would wait for, what is this level? Like 0.1315. Maybe you could look for it. 0.1315. Close above that, then it should push up. Looks like it's reversing though. Possible reversal here. If you want to try it, you could. You have your stop loss below 0.1247. So possible reversal on this one. Based on its history, shouldn't SCNI crash? I don't know what the history is on the stock. I just know it has a nice gap fill. I mean, yeah, it went down here, but it's coming pretty much. I mean, it's very strong right now. I don't know. I'm just basing it off technicals at the moment, but there hasn't been any knife or anything pre-market. It's held up very, very well. So in my opinion, it should continue. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not looking for any entries yet. Yeah, I know. I mean, it's all like that on Twitter. People just show. That's why I don't really show anything. Recaps and everything's all in the Discord. People can see it. All members can see it. I've done it for the last 2.5 years. There's over like 4,000 or 5,000 trades there that everyone can see the alerts. They can get my average if they want to. It's all there. So, yeah. Transparency is key. Transparency is key. There's no BS. Let's get to 100 likes. Let's get to 100 likes. Come on, come on, come on. We have 100 people. We have 67 likes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. SMFL NUKK is pushing up. Yeah, this should push all the way to 114 at least, easily. Maxin, I don't know. This one's chilling. Where's 140? I'm going to put this as 140, yeah. TRNR, it's coming down to $4. I'm not really interested on... yeah, nothing on this. Yeah, nothing. A little hesitant on it, but for now, there's no reason. I would just say downtrend. Wait for the downtrend to break if you are trying to consider something on this. So just chill out. Maxin, nothing. Just, I don't know. I expect this to reverse. Just consolidating in this level. SCNI, expecting this to break out. SMFL, nothing really going on. NUKK should get to 114. MBIO. And look what it did. Magic. It's like magic. Next level. You have all the way to here. This looks like one of the best setups today though, MBIO. Simply looking at it, it's very, very bullish. So if it closes above a 0.3551, you have clean range to 0.4388. Can this thing get over $1 for us, please? This is definitely the strongest setup. We'll definitely be watching this. MBO news came out. Yeah, that is why it's running. Overall response rate of 90% in cohort with durable responses observed. One patient remains in complete remission at 31 months. Cool. Cool. I'm not interested on the news. It doesn't really mean anything. Even if a stock cured cancer, it means nothing to me, to be honest. Right, let me go through some Twitter posts. TANH. This is a Pumpus stock. TRNR looks good for entries, by the way. TRNR. TANH is a China play, I think. China education. I think. So this one is just wait for downtrend break. Wait for downtrend break. NDRA, I just posted it earlier. Yep, there it goes. There she goes. Nice move on that. Literally held that dollar well and then now it's pushed up. Very nice. Closure above 460 looks good. Beacon, the mighty Beacon. Everyone loves Beacon. This was on my watch list. Just in demand zone. Close above 0.75. You have clean range to 0.7950. So hopefully it does that. Here to here. Yeah, looks good. Lots of volume on this. Steady play. Falling wedge equals bullish. Max in, I don't know, this one's just half asleep. I'm not really interested. SCNI, come on, man. This thing's slow. Kraken is a pump and dump king. Pump and dump king. It's in demand zone. It's in the demand zone. Day seems super slow. Not loving how charts are looking. Yeah, market's slow. It's Monday, bro. Markets close Wednesday. People are probably going to take off. I don't know. But it's also, I don't think Eid's affecting the market. But yeah, maybe it might be. Could be one thing again. Here is your TRNR. Not sure if you did Vero. I did Vero, but I'm not really interested in it. Looks like it is reversing. If you wanted to, you could maybe consider some entries. I'm not touching it, but yeah. So this is support. $1 is your resistance. I would say if it can close above $1, maybe you could consider some entries. That's what I would wait for. Right now it's just ranging. And UKK looking good. Yep. So as I mentioned, it should get to 114 when it was over here at 103. Come on, SCNI. SMFL, nothing. Maxin. Maxin's looking good. I think this is worth entries in my opinion. This should reverse. I'm expecting a big reversal on this. Yeah, this should run. This should go. We'll see, we'll see. Right. I am going to, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Market's kind of slow, so I'm going to go chill in the Discord with the members. If you want to join, feel free to join. The link is here. Someone asked how much is Discord. It's gone up to $90 a month. $90 and $230 for 3 months. Myself and Hassi are in the Discord together, so we work together. I give you guys all the education, everything that we do. So there's 2 of us in it. We are opening up a yearly tier, which we will do soon. Yeah, that's kind of it. So I will catch you guys there. Members, I'll see you in a minute. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for joining. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys. Here is your TRNR. So I will catch you guys there. Members, I'll see you in a minute. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for joining. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.